Hey guys, today I'm coming to you with an unboxing of ITZY's latest mini album, Not Shy. I have all three versions and pre-order benefits to go through, so let's get started. I guess I will start with the pre-order benefits. This is random. They're supposed to be random, but I was just very unlucky. So I got all three as Leah. And then the wanted posters. This look on her is awesome. She looks great with that hair. If anyone wants to trade for a Rujin, I got two Leahs if you're interested. Okay, so let's start off with, I don't know what version's which. I think it was like A, B, or so. Let me grab all of my stuff. Oh, where are my photo cards? Okay, found them. Found them. All right. So we'll do a quick flip through this photo album. And then you get this accordion style thing. I think this is the lyric book. If I can open it up correctly. Yes. On one side you have their pictures, and then the other side is the lyrics. Okay, let's look at my photo cards. So I'm gonna look at the bottom one first. Ready? Yuna. So cute. Then, oh, I got a Yujin unit card. Yujin and Leah. So cute. Definitely be keeping this one. As always, any other cards that don't have Rujin are up for trade for Rujin. So let me know if you're interested. Okay, so let's do this green version. Let me take everything out. All right, and then go through this photo book really quickly. those are different. This version. Then cards. Oh, Yeji and Leah. Gosh, they're super cute. And 2 unit cards. Oh, look at Virgin. Precious. Love. Okay, so far so good. And then let's do the red version. Okay. I think I got everything. About spoiled myself. Lyric book. And this one. Oh, goodness. And my pulls. Bottom one first, because I think I got spoiled by that, because I seen the signature. So, Rujin. Oh, so cute. Oh my goodness, look at her little face. Yes, I seen her signature. So exciting. And then, oh, so cute. Look at Leah. Leah and Yuna. So, all in all, that was great pulls. I got Rujin in pretty much every album. 2 unit cards and then a solo card. So, anything else that doesn't have Rujin in it would be up for trade for Rujin. So, please let me know. And I hope you enjoyed this video.